Well, as Dr. Barlow said, this is a web-based program, so there's no software needed. All you need is a computer, as I have in front of me, an internet account, and an account to the system. As you can see, this is our login page, so if you go to LUNARR.com, this is all you're going to see. Your username is your email address. You log in. We do think we've created probably the most simple website you'll ever see. This is our landing page. We took what Google did and we think we made it better. As you can see, just a blank white paper, kind of asking, what do you want to do now? There are 3 different types of ways to use the system, or to create documents. The first is to use one of our templates. Go down here and click your Use Templates. We've supplied an array of templates right now, and we'll be adding more and more as we continue developing. So we just choose, maybe a blank one. And when it loads, we will have a blank front document, and the key to every LUNARR document is that we have both a front and a back. So here's a blank front document. If you click our dog ear on the back, or sorry, dog ear on the right-hand corner, you flip to the back. Now the back of this front is an email system that is always attached to this front document. So I go down here to edit, I can begin to compose a document. As you can see, there's an HTML editor at the bottom of the screen. So just like Google Docs, I can begin to write or compose a document. I can upload a picture from my local hard drive. You might be familiar with this one. It's the one laptop per child. The designer of the one laptop per child is actually a friend of Hideshi and Toru's. So that's the LUNARR system running on the one laptop per child. So we basically have just tried to install the basics of what you'll need. It's not as complicated as Microsoft Word, but then our feeling is you don't use probably 95% of what Word gives you. It's kind of a lot of excess fat that can be trimmed off a program. If I flip to the back, this is where we get into the collaboration part of our system. I can type in the email address of the person I want to collaborate with. So I can type in Hideshi@lunarr.com and then Toru@lunarr.com. Now, as soon as I send this document to Hideshi and Toru, it becomes common between the 3 of us. So just like a wiki on the front, we can both access, all 3 of us can access this main document. So we can all make edits. If they make an edit, I can see it. If I make an edit, they can see it. But on the back, we have this private communication log. Now this back page is my own personal back page. I'm the only one who can see it. So Hideshi and Toru can have private communication on their back page saying that my work is absolutely horrible and that they need to get rid of me, and I can't see it, just like a current email system. Or they can push reply to all, and we can have a discussion board form on the back. But this is only open to the people